What up guys, it's your girl I am Des and welcome back to my channel. So for today I did a nice tutorial on how I do my brows. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. Please stay tuned to the end. No surprise, but just stay tuned to the end and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Alright, what up guys, it's your girl I am Des and let's get started. You know how to start with a little wave. Say hey to my boos. How y'all doing? Alright, so I'm just being a little extra fixing the hair because I know I look crazy. I know I do. So basically how I start off my brows is I get a dried up mascara. Yes, I said it, a dried up mascara. Now, it may be to the point where it's too dry, so I actually use another mascara that's fully used and just wipe it on there. Literally, I just wipe it on there, as you'll see. Yes, girl, just keep wiping. Get that product on there, boo. Yes, boo. Had a little piece of hair on that right there. But basically, it is now ready for use. Brow check. So I basically just wanted you guys to see what I'm doing, and I'm just basically swiping my eyebrows, filling them in as much as I can because they're already kind of thick, so just to fill them in as much as I can with the mascara. So you know, I just had to stop and look and make sure everything was going smoothly. So some would say that I'm conceited, but you know, you just gotta step back and look at yourself and just be like, wow, God made me. He made me look like this. I am so thankful. I'm just kidding. But I'm about to show you guys basically how I conceal my eyebrows. What you see now is a flat brush from Wet n Wild, and that is my favorite brush to use when it comes to concealing my eyebrows. And also the concealer packet that I use, which is from Black Radiance, the True Complexion Compact, and you're going to see that I use the darker side. Eyebrow check time. So now I'm just showing you the brush that I use to blend out my concealer, and it's just a regular foundation brush, maybe from Walmart. Blend, 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 blend. You better blend them eyebrows. Yes, girl, she is blended and she is snatched, honey. Snatched to the goals. You feel me? But she's just, a little bit of two-toned right now. But don't worry, boo. Don't worry. She about to get fixed. This ain't all. Trust me. This is not how I walk out my house. My mama raised me better than that, boo.
Alright, so this is the final look. If you did enjoy the way that I do my brows, then please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And phone, why you being so rude? You know I'm recording. But yes, if you did enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because like I said, there will be more and more every single day. So I am out. Oh, you guys like the look? You guys like the camera quality? Gonna have to step it up real quick, you feel me? But I am out. I will see you guys tomorrow.